lessons you taught me kept this ship and crew safe, and I'm not joking about that. Wherever we go with you, having trained our officers, our conning officers, our helmsmen, and us as commanding officers. Thank you so much for doing that. You have sailed into harm's way with us, and I would be proud to sail with you any day, anywhere in the world. Thank you, gentlemen. I appreciate it. I'm also fortunate enough to have a friend of mine in the crowd from Millington. Commodore Bingham, it's a pleasure to have you here today, sir. And I want to thank you as well for two things. Many people don't know much about the DD Huron until you have to work with them, but I can say that it is probably the toughest captain's job in the Navy. He's responsible for all 60-plus destroyers to make sure that they are equipped, manned, and able to operate the way they need to be. He does that job in an amazing way. Oftentimes we'll get an email from him late at night, 2200, 2300, and I know he's not sending that email late at night because he'd rather be there instead of home with his wonderful family. He's doing that because of the passion that he cares about these ships and these sailors with. Been unmatched by anybody I've ever seen, and I really appreciate that, sir. Thank you as well for your time as the head junior officer detailer in Millington, Tennessee. There are literally thousands of young junior officers that owe their start in their Navy careers to the efforts that he did. And it's something none of them are ever going to be able to thank you for. But sir, on their behalf, thank you for everything you've done in both of those roles. It's an honor to have you here today, sir. I really appreciate it. A destroyer is only surpassed in complexity by an aircraft carrier, and I would actually argue that point, but we'll just accept that the Discovery Channel is correct on that one. It takes an incredible team of professionals to make sure that this ship is able to operate the way it does. Captain Shoup, you and your team of professionals at CERMAC head up an incredible team of professionals consisting of contractors, government employees, Navy uniform personnel, the contractors who support the other installations that we've got. That entire team has done a brilliant job during our SRA. Now you'll notice that we've got this berthing barge over here, and I swear, Bill, I swear to God, if I have to come back next week and that thing is still here, I'm bringing an axe and I'm cutting the ropes myself. It's just going to happen, okay? But we're not done. We're still in the SRA, which is a ship's restricted availability. We're preparing the ship to go out and execute the mission. And the tremendous team of civilians, government employees, military, uniform wearing personnel is unequal to be able to return a ship to its useful service, which is back out there executing the mission. Now, for those SWOs in the audience, you probably noticed that we need a paint job. You're absolutely right. We need a paint job. But there's a time and a place to do the paint job, and we're going to do that next week. So don't blame the crew for that. That's my fault. We schedule it when it needs to get done, and we'll get her done next week. Not done with the SRA until the 9th of September. You come back on the 10th, she'll be pristine topside because of the efforts of this crew. So I thank you in advance for that crew. I don't know if CMC's told you the plan yet, but we got a great plan. You're going to love it. Excuse me. There are 2 members of my crew who work without pay.